Hi, I'm Marcy Moore, and I'd like to welcome you to your advanced technology course. And I wanted to give you a look around D2L in case you are new to this or you're new to online classes. Then I wanted to show you some different things that you could use in D2L. So this is class 403, 4003, and 4113. And so you just always want to make sure that you are in the right class. This class is crossed, and so I have both classes in here. That is something that I want you to be aware of. If you're in 4003, you're probably a certification student. And if you're in 4113, you're a non-certification student. And so that's okay. We have both, and I've separated things inside of D2L for you to look at, but I've lined everything up for you to be able to see. And so this is looking at it as a student, you have different tabs up here that you can go to. And you also I've set up your content like this. So I've set it up by weeks. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go into the Read Me First folder, and you're going to want to go through all of these different items that I've set in here. There's a letter that I've written, some needs for this class that you're going to want to go through. And in order to get to something, all you do is click it, and then it's going to open for you. So something that I want you to see is you do need to know what class you're in, because like 4003 has their own syllabus and 4113 students have their own syllabus. So you want to look at the syllabus that is the same as your class. So make sure that you look at that. I also have two HyperDoc calendars that will be in here. This is one, but I have another one to put in here. And so if you click this, I do want you to be aware of those HyperDoc calendars, because what I've done is put together, let's see if it'll open up, is I've put together a HyperDoc calendar for you. So you can open this calendar. This is a Google Doc. So if you click it, it's going to open for you. And it has everything in it that is going to go week by week, what you need to do and what is due. And everything in here is hyperlinked. So if I said read the syllabus, I've linked the syllabus inside of here. A student survey that I need you to take, I've linked it right here. And so this way you have the ability to just work off of this if you wanted to, but then to turn everything in, you would go back into D2L, which this is a link here. All you would do is click it. It's going to take you back into D2L. And so we have lots of flip grids. We're going to use Flipgrid, and we're going to talk about that later, but there are different things, but all of these are hyperdoc to where you need them to go. So if you click them, they're going to open up immediately. So let's look, like if I was going to click this, it's going to open me up into Flipgrid for you. And you're going to be able to see everything that's inside there. So this is a Flipgrid that we would be doing, and this is a digital platform that we're going to use to be able to answer questions. And so you're going to record yourself in different things. And so I just want you to understand how to do that. And this has every week in it. So this is definitely something that you should, put somewhere, save it. You could go right here. And if you pull it down, if you pull this down like this, it will save right into your bar, and then you can get to it. And so it would save on here, and then you would be able to get to it. I think it accidentally went in there, but you would be able to get to that so that you have that link. I think this is an incredible tool for this class. This is something that should help you. So make sure that you look at that, look it over, and you have that. Something that I do recommend for this class is that you have Google Chrome. And so you would want to log into your Google Chrome, which means that up here in the corner, you're going to have a silhouette person if you would go into Google Chrome, and you would want to log into your Gmail account to be able to see everything and get to everything. And we're going to use Google throughout this course. So I do recommend that you get that. To go back to your content, so we could go back to table of content. Sorry, that's taking my computer a little bit. There we go. Okay, so this is the read me first. You would go through all of those. So I do have those in there. I don't know why that didn't show up in that other one, but this is right here, everything that you're going to need. Um, when you look at the different folders, you can click on them individually here, and it's going to open up just week 1, or you could look at it in that content view that we saw just a minute ago. So everything is also linked in the folders in D2L for you. So not only have I made you that HyperDoc calendar, but I've also linked everything inside of here. One thing that I do want you to know is throughout the weeks, I've put a weekly snapshot in here. So if you click this, see if it comes up. This is a weekly snapshot, and everything is still hyperdocked inside of here. So you have a weekly snapshot of what is going on. I want you to know that all assignments are due on Sunday by midnight. So when you're looking at a week, just know that you have until Sunday to get those in. So I just want you to understand that and know what that looks like, and know that I'm going to grade on Mondays, and so you have that to look at. But this is a snapshot of everything so that you have that, and every week has that in there, every weekly folder. Let me go back through here. Let it open. There you go. So all of your folders are here. Every week is in here, and it's hyperlinked to different things and different links. And so you'll just want to go through that and just know. I just wanted to give you that preview. Also, you can go into assessments. If you go into assignments, sorry, right here. This is going to, I've also broke them down, your assignments that are going to be due. I've broke them down by weeks. So you can see in here what assignments are due in order to get your grades the way that you need them. So this is also inside of there, and you can have that as well. So just so that you know, it's in assessments and then assignments. That's where I've put everything. So sometimes I will send out communications to you. So I want you to know that. Be looking for news. Let me go back to this course home. If I sent out a news, it would come up right there under news. And so a lot of times I will send out messages to the whole class right here. So you want to make sure that you're looking at those things as well. So I think that I've gone over it pretty well. This gives you just a good brief outline of what it is and what is expected of you. And so you want to take a long look at this video and just watch it, and maybe while you're watching it, go through the different elements of D2L. I just wanted you to have that so that you would understand exactly what is expected of you. Thank you.